Lakewood, dripping faucets, and worn-out sinks aren't just annoyances, they're daily disruptions that steal your time and peace of mind. Belmar Lake Plumbing brings high-energy, professional faucets and sinks repair and replacement service straight to your home or business with lightning-fast response and unmatched expertise. When water drips non-stop, it wastes gallons, and that adds up on your utility bills. When sinks crack or corrode, they compromise hygiene and curb appeal. Don't wait for minor leaks to become major headaches. Our certified technicians sweep in with precision tools and quality parts, diagnosing the problem instantly and delivering targeted repairs that stop drips, tighten fittings, and restore flawless performance. If your fixtures are beyond repair, we install sleek, durable replacements that transform kitchens, bathrooms, and commercial spaces with modern style and reliable function. We guide you through faucet and sink options built for Colorado's water conditions, helping you choose finishes and features that elevate your space and stand the test of time. For Lakewood residents and businesses, our faucets and sinks repair. And replacement service is the proactive choice, preventing water waste, preserving property value, and keeping daily life running smoothly. When you need rapid, reliable service from a team that knows this community inside out, there's only one call to make. Trust your fixtures to Lakewood's local plumbing experts. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing today and experience flawless water, flow, stunning upgrades, and the confidence that comes from working with true professionals.